Lakúbáyà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lakúbáyà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé ajẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn lèmi dábọ̀ sóhun mi lọ́jọ́ dìgbọ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé. La ilaha illallah. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dán. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrú ni wọ́n síkú.
11 after 11. Sometimes when you look at your watch and you see these numbers, 11 after 11, or you are going to somewhere, you always see this number 11 after 11. That is 1111. It has a lot of meaning. Or you see 12 after 12. Are you with me? Or 6 after 6. I'm not going to dare today. But later, maybe in my next video. Maybe in my next video, I will explain that. But what I want to treat today is 11 after 11. Are you with me? 11 after 11 a.m. or 11 after 11 p.m. It has a lot of meaning. You understand? Sometimes when you look at your watch, you always find a strange number like 12 after 12 or 10 after 10, 11 after 11. Those numbers, they have a lot of meaning. It's a message. You understand? It's a message. So today I want to explain out the message of 11 after 11 a.m. or p.m. When you look at your watch and you find out that the time is 11 after 11, you understand? It's a message. It's a message. You don't need to miss it. So what are you going to do when you find out this 11 after 11? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Babi Wenje. If this is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tips, just like the one that you want to watch right now. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure that you turn on the notification bell. So whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of these videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You see a lot of videos there that can help your spiritual life. But if you don't understand, you are free to call me on 070-3742-2552 or you message me on WhatsApp 090-5333-2747. So as you see from the title, today I want to quickly explain this number 1111. That is 11 after 11, either AM or PM. When you check your wristwatch or wall clock, you always see that number. You understand? It has a lot of meaning. It's very important you must know this number, most especially all the numbers. But I'm not going there today. I want to start from 11 after 11. Are you with me? So when you find this number, anytime you look at your watch and you find out the time is 11 after 11, it means that angels are with you. Angels, they are with you. A good angel, not those bad angels, not all those bad spirits. Angels are with you. Are you with me? And you are going to receive a major blessing in your life that can change everything for you. So when you find out this number, you are going to make a wish. You understand? Make a wish. It's not that you are going to set your time 11 after 11. You understand? And maybe when you look at your watch, you find out 10 after 11, and you are expecting 11 after 11, and you look at it. No, it's not like that. When you look at your watch immediately, maybe you are going somewhere, you look at your watch and you find out 11 after 11, either AM or PM, you will say your intention. Angels are with you and you are going to receive a major blessing that can change everything for you. Are you with me? So it means that you have cried many times in private. Are you with me? And God is going to bless you in public. Are you with me? So everything will happen for you all of a sudden. Are you with me? And you are going to laugh at last. And you'll be blessed. You don't need to give up. You don't need to give up. Because something is going to happen in your life and it will change everything in a positive way. So comment yes if you believe this. And it's very important you must understand everything about this number. You understand? Most especially when you are going out or you look at your watch, you find out these numbers. You understand? Most especially 11 after 11, either AM or PM. So you are going to say any wish because it's a message for you. It's a message for you. Don't set your alarm at 11 after 11. You understand? So you don't need to set your alarm. Whenever you look at your watch and you find out that number, you know, some people, they always see this number either in their dream or physically, or when they are going out. You understand? It's a message. You understand? It's a message. So if you notice this number, that is what you are going to do. You make your intention between that time. You understand? Between that time. You understand? So that is how to. Maybe next time I will explain the other number, but not today. Are you with me? That is what you are going to do when you look at your time and you find out that the time is 11 after 11 AM or PM. So if you really love this topic and you know that this topic will help you, there is a way you can help me. By you can like this video, you comment under the comment section, or you share this video, or you give me super thank. I will appreciate that. So thank you very much.
Alawalu, alakiru, asohiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dá